Damas Y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool pomade review. So, if you're new, typically what I do with these videos is I review a pomade of your guys' choice, which of course you guys feel free to let me know any suggestions down in the comments down below. Something else that is relatively new, as you guys can see, I have a haircut. I know in my previous videos I had my long hair, but I always thought that the long hair curling up at the end was kind of killing the results and possibly weighing it down. And when I tried to get a new haircut, you know, the lady kind of cut it awkwardly in the back, and I decided, you know, it was kind of threw the balance off of my hair. So I went out, I was doing some research, and I found a barber shop with a lot of good reviews, went to it, and they gave me a pretty good haircut, not even gonna lie. And I decided, time to give it a shot with some Suavecito Light Hold Pomade. It's pretty awkward hold. There it is. So this one was requested to me a while ago, but I only recently got this one. If you guys haven't seen any previous Suavecito products, they're relatively the same, but a different color. This one is a light blue. The thing with Suavecito pomades is that they are all, I don't know if that focus. Basically, they're all water soluble, and they all have their relatively similar Suavecito signature scent. And this one probably has it. I may have peaked a little bit. So, yep, I got some on my face. Suavecito with their signature Coca-Cola sort of look to it. I pretty much used all of their products. The only one I didn't like was the firm clay. I have literally never used this one, but I have used all the other ones so far. So that's enough with the introduction, so let's just try this out. Something I noticed immediately is while the other ones kind of have a little bit of force, this one broke apart very easily. It was easy to get out of the container. So you guys know the drill. Get it into your hands, emulsify it, and then apply. So that went in pretty smoothly. I know that this isn't, well, this pomade probably won't have too much of a hold. It is a light hold after all. So how are you guys doing? You guys already know. If you guys have any ideas on any pomades or any future videos you guys would like me to make, leave them in the comment section down below. And it could be anything. It doesn't all have to be hair related. I think I got enough of the product on my hair. So what do you guys think of the new haircut? Originally what I had wanted to go for was a pompadour, which if you guys don't know what that is, it's kind of like this. It's kind of like what Elvis Presley was rocking back in the day, but I don't like my hair growing along on the sides because it just makes my hair or my head look wider. So of course, I had to stick with the classic fade. And that sort of idea is frequent, or made obvious at the front. Because my hair is long in the front and short towards the back. I don't know if I'm gonna let my hair grow out again. I don't know, I'll leave that up to you guys. But so far I'm kind of liking this new haircut. I think that's enough for putting the product in so far. So you guys know the drill on how I rate these. If you don't, basically I just rate them on a scale of good, bad, or okay. So now that I've applied the product throughout my hair and it has been set, I'm gonna give it some time. Probably gonna go on with the rest of my day, get back, and we'll see what the end result is. But so far, this is what it looks like. It looks like I need to fix it back. So far, this is the hold. This is the look. You guys can see the shine. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it has been a few hours now. It's starting to get dark outside, and so far from what I can see and from what I can feel, I like the hold on this because it's not like the other Suavecito products where it makes your hair very crispy or very tough, kind of like what a gel does. This one does not do that. This one gives it like a very light texture of that. and it's still something you can run your fingers through. It's not really hard or stiff or holding your hair in place like the firm hold or the original hold. The smell, signature Suavecito smell. I'd say the smell on this one isn't as strong as the other ones. It's pretty light, kind of like the pomade itself. Holds pretty well, especially for short hair, which is something I would definitely recommend this product for. If you have shorter hair, you might want to definitely try this Light Hold Pomade. If you have longer hair, you can give it a shot, but I'm just saying so far, if we were rating this on a scale of good, bad, or okay, I'd say for my hair, I would definitely say this is a good product, especially for short hair, so keep that in mind. I have no idea what it's going to be like for long hair, because I don't have it. And anyways, guys, remember this, that these reviews are completely in my opinion, so if you ever feel that a product isn't justified, or maybe it didn't get a fair treatment, let me know in the comment section down below and what you think of the product itself. And also let me know of any suggestions you have in the future. Anyways, Damas Y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. And if you guys would like to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos right here and subscribe down here. And as always, I'm out.